Hello superstars, you're welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing this platform called Hawkit. Most of my audience, or most of you that have been following me for quite some time from the scratch of my channel, even right to this time at that I am at 400 and something subscribers, most of you guys have been following me, and most of you guys have noticed that I've made videos about Hawkit, not even one, not even three, not even four times. And that's why in today's video I'm going to be reviewing Hawkit, because for quite some months now I haven't even received task, and Hawkit is not free. To register cost 1,000 naira. So most of you are asking your question, that is Hawkit a scam? Well, what I have to tell you guys is that you guys should not conclude yet that this is actually a scam. Because if it's actually a scam, this website is supposed to crash, but the website has not crashed. Maybe they are on something huge, so you guys shouldn't come to a final agreement or to a final decision that this platform is a scam. I registered with 1,000 naira for Hawkit, and this is the amount I've earned so far. I hope you guys are even seeing it in my screen right now. So this is the amount I've earned so far, 2,097 naira. That means I have made 1,097 naira profit. So you guys should not come to a conclusion that this is a scam. Just be patient, right? Just be patient, because they are still for now tasks aren't available, but you can still do other things. As you can see, you can still buy social, you can still buy airtime. Yes, I bought airtime. You can still buy airtime. You can still post your product here, and people will see it and still want to purchase. So there are various ways by which you can earn money with Hawkit, not just only by their task. And you can still withdraw your money, and you can still fund your wallet. Maybe what I'm gonna say is that there are no available tasks for now, but I won't just conclude that Hawkit is a scam, because there are still other things you can do here. As you can see, most people are still earning from this, but there is no task for now. But you can do other things. You can refer people ahead. That's even the best to do right now. Start referring people so that you can get 500 naira, or you start selling your products, you start selling your airtime, or you start buying airtime. You can do whole lot of things here on Hawkit to make money. So you guys shouldn't just conclude that this is actually a scam. Please be mindful of what you say to the public. Please, I hope this video was helpful and quite informative. Please subscribe to the channel.